Greetings, Jess Daniels here. This is a demonstration of how to set a lock key for your Lubuntu 1804. You need to go to your menu. Well, actually, let's go over what you need first. First, you need to have gnome-screensaver installed. And then you're going to use this command, gnome-screensaver-command lock. We're going to copy that and then go to System Preferences, set up hotkeys. We'll make this big and click on the plus sign to create new action. We'll make that big. Now you set your hotkey here. In this case, I'm going to use Super L, and I should. There it is. Okay. If you make it big, then you lose the command line option. So we'll do that again. Actually, just to show you, you might experience. Oh, that time it worked. Okay, so here's the hotkey is Super L, and then the command line is just going to paste it right in, and that should do it. We click on the OK button, accept changes, and right down here at the bottom it says screensaver command lock. And now if I do that, I lose my recording. So you'll have to just trust me on this. It does work. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.